I'm Allison Rodriguez. We are in for a big warm up today and tomorrow, but then we're already tracking our second disturbance that will come a little bit later on. That'll bring us a little bit of a cool down and also some breezes. So for today here in Phoenix, a warm day. Look at this, topping out at 86 degrees. UV index is staying high today. Air quality has bumped up from good to moderate now because we have some ozone concerns. No weather alert, so that red flag warning is done and no storm chances for us today. Here's a look at how the temperatures are going to go for your Wednesday. Upper 60s by 10 o'clock, climbing into the 70s as we get into the afternoon, and then we'll sit in the mid 80s for most of the valley here as we get into the late afternoon, early evening there before we drop into the 70s for tonight. Now, because of the second disturbance that we are tracking, here's something that I want to show you guys just so you're prepared already. We already have this high wind warning that's going to go into effect tomorrow, Thursday, okay, for northwest Arizona. That'll include parts of Bullhead City and Kingman as well, in case you're planning to travel up there. Here's a look at our spring training forecast too. So for today, 110 at Salt River Fields, D-backs and 79 degrees by that time. So we'll take a look out for that one as well. So make sure you're staying hydrated, because if you're sitting on the lawn, I know it gets a little bit toasty out there. We're going to be under clear skies. The highs today across the valley above average, mid 80s for most of us. 83 in Fountain Hills, 84 in Scottsdale today, 85 in Glendale, and 85 in Levine as well. As we take a broader look across the state, you'll see we'll climb into the 60s in Payson, low 70s in Sedona and Prescott. We will see those warm temperatures out to the west, mid 80s as well. And looking ahead at the next 7 days here, look, we're getting even warmer tomorrow. Breezes ahead of this second system, and then our temperatures drop. Look at that drop. We're talking about 14, 15 degrees there, down to the mid 70s by Friday. But the good news is, remove those rain chances through your weekend are looking pretty good here, and then we'll start to warm back up before another disturbance will come in and bring us some breezes by next week.